Take a slow breath and stay here with me for a moment. Let your shoulders drop. Let your chest soften. Let the noise leave your mind. You do not need to chase anything right now. You do not need to force a single door open. Money can reach you in peace. Money can reach you in quiet. Money can find you while you rest, while you breathe, while you return to yourself. If this message found you today, take that as a sign that something is already shifting in your favor. Keep listening because these words are not here to make you desperate. They are here to make you remember. Money flows to me naturally and easily. Doubt does not block the flow of money to me. Fear does not stop what is already moving in my direction. Money moves like water, finding its path with calm power and steady purpose. I do not need to push. I do not need to chase. I do not need to prove that I am worthy of abundance. The easiest path is often the path money uses to reach me. Ease is safe for me. Ease is familiar to me. Ease is what I allow now. I am open, relaxed, and ready to receive. I do not need to know every detail of how money reaches me. Trust is enough for this moment. Openness is enough for this moment. And if your heart feels this, stay with me because this is only the beginning. The flow of money toward me is natural. Receiving abundance is as natural as breathing in and breathing out. I do not have to fight my way into a better life. I do not have to earn love from money. I do not have to suffer before I can receive more. Being alive already makes me worthy of support, provision, and overflow. Money is quietly making its way to me right now. Something is changing in my financial favor today. I can feel it, even if I cannot see all of it yet. Believing before seeing opens space for miracles I once thought were far from me. The movement of money toward me is real. Life is arranging blessings on my behalf in seen ways and unseen ways. I do not force, I allow. I do not panic. I receive. The right doors are opening at the right time. What belongs to me is not confused. It is not lost. It is not delayed forever. Money does not need struggle to arrive. Openness welcomes money, and I am open. I allow money to meet me with ease. Everything needed is already being arranged. I release the heavy question of how. I release the weight of when. I let life do what life does best. Money moves toward me like sunlight through an open window, quiet and certain. Abundance flows toward me from every side. If your mind tries to wander, come back here. Let this sink deeper. Something good is moving even now. Pressure has no place here. Urgency does not lead this moment. Money is working in my favor, even when my outer world looks still. Even in silence, something helpful is moving toward me. Resting in this knowing is enough. I am grateful because money is already in motion for me. Abundance reaches me through channels I have not even imagined yet. I appreciate every way money chooses to enter my life. I am thankful to be gently and fully provided for. Effortlessness is not an act I perform. Effortlessness is a state I return to. Struggle was never the true cost of abundance. Trying too hard only made me forget my power. Releasing the need to chase opens the current again. I do not need to work harder just to receive more. Alignment is stronger than force. Peace is stronger than pressure. I am someone money recognizes. I am someone money returns to. I receive without guilt. I receive without shame. I receive without apology. Abundance can come freely and fully into my life. Openness is enough. My willingness is enough. Letting go of struggle does not mean I am giving up on success. It means I am finally making room for success to meet me in a better way. Releasing resistance clears the road. I no longer believe money must be hard. That old story is finished. A lighter story lives in me now. Stay until the end because each word is helping you become more comfortable with receiving. Money flows easily to those who welcome it easily, and I welcome it now. My expectation is changing. My inner world is changing. I do not need to be fully ready before receiving begins. My willingness is enough to begin. Ease feels more familiar to me every day. Receiving larger amounts of money feels safe in my body now. I do not brace myself for abundance. I do not shrink back from overflow. Abundance is coming closer, and I'm open to receive it. I am someone who receives well. Money feels comfortable moving toward me. My natural state is abundance, not lack. My natural state is flow, not blockage. I do not need to convince money to come. Money is already on its way. Something inside me has shifted, and that shift is lasting. Ease is not a reward saved for later. Ease is a choice I make now. I choose ease with money. I choose openness with abundance. I let money move without resistance. Effortlessness is becoming normal for me. Natural abundance is becoming my new pattern. I am grateful that money flows to me without opposition. Money arrives through expected paths and unexpected ones. Every source of income that belongs in my life is opening. New paths of money are forming for me. I do not need to predict the route. Life is creative. Life is resourceful. Money knows how to reach me. Let these words settle into your nervous system. Let your body learn that receiving is safe. Let your breath remind you that abundance can arrive softly and still change everything. Money finds beautiful and creative paths into my life. Opportunities that carry money are drawn to me now. I am open to receiving money from every direction. Known sources of abundance are expanding, and unknown sources are preparing themselves for me. I do not limit the ways money can find me. The more open I become, the more easily money notices me. Money does not wait for only one door. Many doors can open at once. I trust the doors I can see, and I also trust the door I cannot see yet. Financial blessings are moving toward me from every direction. I do not need to control every stream of income. Life is handling more than I can measure. Something unexpected is coming closer to me now. A gift of money may be nearer than I realize. I am ready for what I have not yet imagined. Receiving from surprise sources feels natural to me. Gratitude pulls abundance closer, and I am grateful. I do not need to earn every dollar through strain and exhaustion. Abundance arrives in familiar forms and in brand new ways. I welcome every shape money chooses to take. Money can arrive as opportunity. Money can arrive as support. Money can arrive as generosity, partnership, timing, insight, and favor. I allow money to surprise me in beautiful ways. Nothing can block what is meant to reach me. Financial abundance is finding me from every corner of life. I do not chase one source in fear. I stay open to many streams. I am a magnet for money from all sides. And if this feels good, keep going because your mind is learning a richer language now. The channels of abundance in my life are growing wider and stronger. More money is arriving than I once expected. I receive with open hands and a soft heart. I am grateful for money that comes from unexpected places. Every surprise blessing reminds me that I am supported. I appreciate how generously life can deliver abundance to me. The old story about money is losing its hold on me. I was taught that money was difficult. I was shown that money demanded sacrifice, stress, and constant strain. But those lessons were incomplete. They were never the whole truth. A new truth is settling into me now. Money was never meant to be a source of pain. Ease with money is available to me right now. I do not have to repeat old patterns. I do not have to live inside inherited fear. Scarcity is leaving my body, my mind, and my choices. New patterns of abundance are replacing it. I am allowed to believe money comes easily. Believing in easier money is not foolish. It is the start of receiving better. My mind moves toward what it practices most, so I practice ease, calm, abundance, and natural flow. Every peaceful thought reshapes my experience. I release old beliefs about money. I release the idea that I must struggle before I deserve more. Abundance is not reserved for the tired and overworked. Abundance is available to me because I am here, because I exist, because life supports life. If this line hits deep, let it stay. Let it rewrite something old in you. Receiving is available to me exactly as I am. I do not need to fix myself before money arrives. Money is not waiting for a more perfect version of me. Money can meet me where I am and still raise me higher. Money is already moving toward who I am today. I am enough as I am in this moment. The version of me receiving now is whole. I put down the belief that I am not ready. Readiness is not a faraway place. Readiness is this breath. Readiness is this open heart. Readiness is my willingness to receive now. A lighter relationship with money is forming in me. Money and I are becoming comfortable with each other. I no longer see money as something to fight for. Money is a natural part of my everyday life. Welcoming money with calm is more powerful than chasing it with fear. I am calm. I am open. I am magnetic. I am grateful. The old story no longer defines me. Freedom from old money beliefs is arriving for me now. I appreciate the lightness replacing what I used to carry. I am thankful a healthier, softer, stronger relationship with money is forming. I am ready to receive what has already been prepared for me. Everything needed is already moving closer now. The design of my abundance is already in motion. I do not need to make every piece happen. My role is to stay open, clear, willing, and available. Willingness is powerful. Receptivity is powerful. Peace is powerful. Keep listening. Let your identity shift with every sentence. Receiving money naturally is becoming my new normal. I accept abundance without apology and without hesitation. Money flowing to me is not random. It is alignment. I am aligned with financial abundance. The life I am building is funded, supported, and nourished. I do not need to wonder if money will come. Money is already on the way. I feel the certainty of money arriving for me. Certainty is more magnetic than desperation ever was. I choose certainty as my resting place with money. I am someone who receives large amounts of money with grace. Financial freedom is not a distant dream to me. Financial freedom is the natural result of a new inner agreement. I step into financial ease one breath at a time. Each day brings money closer into my hands. I receive every form of abundance with grace. My hands are open. My heart is ready. I accept what belongs to me fully and completely. The money meant for me cannot be misdirected. Nothing stands between me and what is mine except old fear, and I release that fear now. I am the person this money is looking for. I am here. I am open. I am ready. Every affirmation spoken over me is taking root. Every word is landing in rich and ready ground within me. I receive this moment as a gift to my future. I am grateful to be someone money flows toward. Abundance is finding a lasting home in my life. I appreciate the ease with which money is arriving. I am thankful for the financial peace already forming around me and within me. Something has shifted in me. Even if it feels quiet, money feels closer than it did before. I let that feeling remain. I return to it again and again. When the flow feels far away, I come back to this truth. Money still knows my address. Abundance still knows my name without me needing to say it out loud. Support is still real. Opportunity is still active. My life is still opening. I trust the timing of what is already moving. I trust the wisdom of what is already being arranged. I trust the calm version of me who no longer confuses struggle with success. Money can come through work I enjoy. Money can come through ideas, support, timing, sales, gifts, referrals, healing, new offers, and happy surprises. Money can come while I sleep. Money can come while I grow. Money can come while I stay faithful to peace. I welcome wise income. I welcome clean income. I welcome steady income. I welcome joyful overflow. I welcome more than enough. I welcome the kind of abundance that brings relief, freedom, generosity, and room to breathe. I bless the money I have. I bless the money that is coming. I bless the channels that are opening now. I bless the future that is meeting me faster than I thought possible. And now I rest in this truth. Money flows to me naturally, calmly, and effortlessly. What is for me is already finding me. What is mine is already moving. I stay open. I stay grateful. I stay ready. And I receive.